Hey, y'all. Good day. We're actually out and about getting boxes. As y'all can see back there, we have a whole back full of boxes, and the back there too full of boxes. We still have some more packing to do, of course, for our relocation down to Arizona in the next few days. I guess I put it that way. We still have more packing to do, but y'all, this has been a journey. I guess I'd say that. Having to, like I said again, as I've said in the last few videos, you don't know how much stuff you have until you actually start going through your stuff. I know they always have spring cleaning, and I'm always talking about not always talking about spring cleaning, but I realize now that when I'm saying spring cleaning, I need to actually be cleaning out my stuff instead of waiting until I leave the apartment or place I'm in, a house or whatever it is, in order for me to start getting rid of stuff, throwing stuff away. Y'all, this has been a lot. It's like, what is the temperature? It's like 94 degrees here. It's a doggone heat wave, and we out here still getting boxes, still getting stuff. Like, this has been just craziness. Like I said, that's all moves, I'm sure. Things come down to like the last few days, the last few things you have to do. So, like I said, we're just at that point now. Just like I said, trying to get the last few things packed up. I did go buy some like paper plates, paper cups, a thing of forks, and a thing of spoons from Dollar Tree, so that we can, of course, have some what is it called? Silverware and plates and stuff like that to eat off of in the house, because I packed up the other things. Actually, not all of it, but majority of it. The rest of it's going to be packed up as soon as we get back home with these boxes, because I ran out of boxes this morning. So, like I said, this has been a chore, y'all. Everything is set, far as I know. Our move-in date, time, all that kind of stuff. So that should be awesome. So, like I said, I'm greatly looking forward to it. But like I said, all this junk, all this stuff. I promised myself from here on out, if I haven't used something, wore something in the past year since I've had it, I guess I put it that way, I am donating it or giving it to somebody else. I put it that way, because I'm not going to keep all this stuff anymore like this. Yesterday I took 4 bags of clothes and 5 bags of like gift baskets, something like the cellophane wrap, some event planning stuff, party supplies, all that kind of stuff to my cousin's house. That was 9 bags full of stuff. That make no sense, y'all. It really doesn't. And I mean big, like white trash, like what is it called, the 13-gallon trash bags. That makes no sense. This won't happen again, y'all. The next time we move, we'll be into a house, actually. But like I said, this will never happen again with all this junk. So let me go ahead. I'll see y'all later, y'all. Like I said, I'm definitely telling my story, my journey. Want to make sure that I'm including y'all in on what's going on, to keep y'all informed as well, so y'all can know what's going on in my life too, as a social worker, as a life coach, as a black woman, as a female, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. But like I said, I definitely want to bring y'all in on this, so y'all can know more about me, where I'm coming from, who I am, and that kind of thing. So I'll see y'all later, y'all.